What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you on how to enable the Google Chrome's dark mode setting on any Android device. By the way, I'm using Oppo F5 and let's begin. First, let's open the app. Let's type Chrome :/flags. On the search bar, just type dark, click on the search button, and here we can see two options: Android Web Contents Dark Mode and Android Chrome UI Dark Mode. Let's select Android Chrome UI Dark Mode. Tap the button, choose Enabled, and below we can see a notification saying to relaunch the app. Click that button and wait for the app to reopen. Let's close this tab. Click on Settings, and now we can see the dark mode option. Click the dark mode and tap the button to enable the dark mode, and there it is. Now we have the dark mode on our Google Chrome app. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.